Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do the offset shells stitch pattern. This pattern is super easy, so to get started, you want to chain multiples of 4 plus 1. For this tutorial, I'm going to do a quick 12 chains plus 1 for a total of 13. You'll only need to know how to do a double crochet for this pattern, and if you need help with that, check down in the description below on a link on my video of how to do a double crochet. So to get started, you want to chain 3, and you want to do a double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. Followed by another double crochet in that same stitch, a chain 1, and another double crochet in the same stitch. You want to skip 3 chains, and in the 4th one you want to work 3 double crochets in the same chain space. Followed by a chain 1 and work another double crochet in the same chain space. Again, we are going to skip 3. Oops, I got a little bit too excited on what I was doing. We're going to skip 3 chains, and in the 4th one we're going to work 3 double crochets. And you can kind of see what the repeat is for this whole entire row. It's 3 double crochets, chain 1, another double crochet, and then skip 3. And we do this until the end of the row of whatever size your work is. So here we are at the end. You want to skip 3, and in the last stitch, which will also be the 4th stitch, we'll work 3 double crochets in the same chain space. Followed by a chain 1 and a double crochet in the same chain space. Alright, and that's our foundation of row 1. So row 2 will be your repeat for all of the other rows, and you'll kind of see how it'll end up giving you a ripple effect on the side of the work. So to get started, you want to chain 3, and in that chain 1 space, we're going to do the same pattern. So 2 double crochets to start out with, because that chain 3 counted as our first double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet, all in that chain 1 space. Then we're going to skip everything, and we're going to work in that chain 1 space from the next cluster. And I just kind of didn't crochet that quite right, so I'm just fixing it. So again, we're going to do 3 double crochets, followed by a chain 1 and a double crochet in the same space. Skip all of that and find your chain 1 space from the row before. Work 3 double crochets in that chain space. Chain 1 and a double crochet in that same chain space. And here we are on the last one. Again, it's 3 double crochets in the chain 1 space, followed by a chain and 1 double crochet afterwards. And there you have it. That's how you do the offset shell stitch pattern. It's super easy and fun, and I love the ripple effect that it ends up giving. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.